Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Bel Lavoro, and today we're going to be doing a product feature overview of the new Giraffe Tools Ultra Flow pressure washer. So as you can see, it says it does up to 2.66 GPM. Cars with Keeve, check out his YouTube channel. He's a great guy. He has done all the testing on this. I think I'm Josh V has as well, to see what the flow numbers really are and how you can improve it and this and that. I apologize, it's kind of windy today, so I might hear some wind noise. Now, I've been using it for a couple weeks now, and you may have saw my unboxing video, just checking it out. I was pretty impressed by it. I didn't expect to be, because I have their last one, their Grand Falls wall mount, which is fine. It's not a bad pressure washer, just there's nothing that wowed me about it. But this one really stood out. So you see here, I've got it set up on a custom setup. This is this thing right here is a deionizer that removes all the impurities from the water. I only use this on final rinse, so I use this to wash cars mainly. I only use a deionizer on final rinse. I've got it set up with a bypass, a couple hoses. I got a video about that. I can link it below if you're interested. But I just have it sitting on the ground here. You can wall mount this if you want to. I prefer it on the ground. It's just easier for me. And I have it set up where it is hooked up to my hose reel up here, which I already had. Just a little quick connect. Just like that. So if you're wondering, can I hook this up to a hose reel? Yes, you can. Now, it does have its own hose reel. Because I already had my hose reel, I didn't want it to go to waste. I like how it's set up. But let me show you guys how far this thing extends out, because the hose itself is good quality. It's a lot better than what you get out of a box of most pressure washers. So yeah, let's extend it out and see how far it goes. I'm just gonna take it and keep walking that way until I can't go any further. Reeling it back in, and let me show you guys. So it reaches pretty far. It's about 50 feet, and then the retracting works well. However, you're probably wondering, why is it going so slow for you? Let me show you. Because it got it at a kind of a weird angle when it extends out, because I got it pushed all against the wall. And as you see, it winds up just fine. I'm going to hook it back up to this hose reel. And that's it. Now this hose reel is an auto retract hose reel. It locks in place. My hose reel up here does not. I got to manually crank it, which is fine. Not a big deal. But yeah, next let me get it plugged in, and we'll just go over the nozzles and things like that. Alright, so they do give you this stock wand and everything with this holder. It's fine. I detail cars. That's not going to cut it for me. But this isn't built for detailing, obviously. It's just built for it's pressure washer. So I'll have links and everything if you're interested in mimicking my setup or close to it. See what that all is for you. It's going to be mostly Amazon links. So buy anything through those links, I appreciate it. Anyways, so you got your power button right here. That turns it on. It's got some different nozzles. So you got a turbo nozzle, a 15 degree, 20 degree. I think that's 20. Let me pull them out. So we've got a 15 degree, 25 degree, and a 40-degree nozzle. All in that order. Got a little holder there to kind of keep them all in place for you. And the turbo nozzle. Also comes with this foam cannon. I showed off the foam cannon in the unboxing. This foam cannon works good. It's a good design. It is a fairly basic, minimalist design. Copies a lot of what you'll find out there, but you don't have to change out the orifice size because this has enough flow. And it's pretty nice. So there you go. That comes with a foam cannon. That works great. It's not like a cheap, crappy foam cannon, anything like that. This is an oiled pressure washer, by the way, so refer to their manual about servicing it, and you know, if you have to drain the oil and fill it. And the type of oil it takes, looks like it says 15W40, 240 milliliters of oil. That's what it says right there, in case you were wondering. Alright, so let's go over the nozzles, I guess. So this is one of my pressure washer wands and guns. I have it set up multiple quick connects so I can take the wand off the end. Then I've just got the stubby gun. It's always nice. Yeah, let's show off these nozzles. So we'll start with the turbo nozzle. This is going to be a 0 degree that spins. So this is going to give you your highest pressure and most cleaning ability. I would not recommend using this on painted surfaces. This is good for like concrete, maybe your car's wheels if you got the right type of wheels, things of that nature, industrial stuff. You can see how quickly this thing fires up. My other pressure washer, my Karcher, that thing, it took a good half a second to wind up before it would start. This is just like almost nearly instant. So you can see how that works, right? Pretty straightforward. Next we'll just go down the line. 15 degree, this is going to give you a 15 degree fan pattern. Also good for cleaning things off. You can just see the amount of water that comes out of here too. So with this pressure washer, you will use more water, but you'll get things done faster. Okay. Next we'll go up to the 25 degree. A little bit wider. 25 degree, that's my favorite to use when I'm washing cars personally. And then we've got the 40 degree. And that's that. So I mean, all in all, this thing it's pretty nice, honestly. It is pricey, about $1,000. I think like $999. You can order it from Giraffe Tools website. I'll put a link down below. I haven't seen it on Amazon yet. If it does go up on Amazon, I'll put the link down to that as well. Yeah, I think they said it ships free to most, I think at least the lower 48. If you're in like a remote area or some other country, it might not ship free. This is made in China. I believe they are a Chinese company. Not a problem, but I know some people care about that, but there's not really many pressure washers made in the USA, if any. Some owned by American companies, but everything gets made in China, so that's what we're with. Or other countries, other European countries. Take your pick. Anyways, pretty good pressure washer overall. I'm going to keep using this. This is going to be the pressure washer in all my future videos until it dies or I find something better. So I appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, or this wasn't an unboxing video, this overview. Yeah, hopefully it helps you with your decision if this is what you want or you want to go with something else. I'll link again to everything in the description down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.